plant and sow the ground to make the garden grow. They sing as they go with a hey-dee, hey-dee, ho. If you need to know what to plant and where and when, just follow Gary's help list from numbers 1 to 10. Gary is the man to ask, he'll tell you what to sow.
Hello little gardeners, today I have to cut the lawn so it doesn't get too long. Phew! There's so much to do, I think I'm going to need some help. That'll be wonderful, Woody. Thank you. That'll get it done twice as fast, Woody. Let's start them together. Here we go. Phew! This is very hot work, isn't it, Woody?
It sure is, Gary.
I'm going to need a rest to start to cool down a bit, Woody.
No problem. I'll get something.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! No, no, no! I didn't mean I wanted something to eat. That's not funny. I didn't want water. I wanted something to eat to cool me down.
Sorry, Gary. That was very funny, though.
Oh, Gary, I'll get you a piece of watermelon.
Oh, that's lovely, but I really would like something more like an ice cream to cool me down.
I will get you one, Gary.
A lovely blue ice cream, thank you.
That's not right, Gary.
Oh, well, I'll have another one then. Ah, blue, my favourite.
That's not right, Gary.
Isn't it? Oh, we'll have that one back. I'll have another one. Ah, pink, my favourite.
That's not right, Gary.
That's not right. We'll have that one back then. Ah, green. I like green.
That's not right, Gary.
Oh, don't tell me I'm no good at my colours again.
You're not good at your colours, Gary.
Oh, well, maybe you could tell me what the colours are. What colour's that one?
Blue.
What colour's that one?
Pink.
What colour is that one?
Yellow.
And what colour is that one?
Green.
Marvellous! Now, could you tell me how many we have of these ice creams? Count. 1,
2, 3, 4.
4 ice creams. That's amazing. Well done. Okay, Woody, we've had a good rest and we've cooled down. So we must get on because we have a lot more grass to cut. Let's say goodbye to everybody. See you next time, little gardeners. Bye.
Gary the gardener and his girlfriend Rose, they dig, plant and sow the ground to make the garden grow. They sing as they go with a hey-dee, hey-dee, ho. If you need to know what to plant and where and when, just follow Gary's help list from numbers 1 to 10. Gary is the man to ask, he'll tell you what to sow.